Alright guys, welcome back to another video with your man Jay. Got more cases here for the Galaxy Note 10, the smaller variant, and these are all from VRS. So right now, this is a Sandstone case from them. It's called the Hyper Pro Shield Sandstone, and it actually feels like that old OnePlus Sandstone feel. Then you've got this navy leather case here, and then these are called the Glide Shields, because you know you got the credit cards you can put in there. So we'll try these on and we'll show you what they look like and run down the line, man. So here's our dummy unit. Depending on when you're watching this, the Galaxy Note is either out or not out. So obviously right now I ordered the larger version of the Galaxy Note 10, but I do have a dummy unit for the smaller variant, so we'll use that for this video demo presentation here. The Sandstone case, beast mode, it feels fantastic. It's a little rough around the edges. Like if you've never felt sandstone before on a case, this will feel different to you, but I like that. I like that. So you've got a little bit of VRS branding down there. Tons of grip with this case. You should not drop this case at all with this phone with this case on it at all. All ports and everything line up. Got all there. Microphone up top, volume and power, and that's it, man. This is an all screen. On the front here, you've got some lay on the table design. A little bit of lip. So when you lay it down flat, you're good to go. So let's pop on. This is a fantastic case, man. This thing feels fantastic. Now, these are the cases, the gliders, where, you know what I'm saying, you can put a credit card or your ID in here. It says you can put 2 cards in there. In my experience with these, one fits comfortably, and then you slide a $100 bill or a $20 bill, something in there, and you're good to go. ID and some cash. Because I've tried using these, not this particular case, but cases that say 2 cards. In most cases, it's a tight fit. You don't get that slide like this, you know, after a while. But this is the case. These cases will not work with wireless charging because you're going to have your cards in there, and it's just not going to work. So if you're wondering about that, pretty much all cases that are plastic of some sort or leather, they'll work with wireless charging, but not a case like this because there's a gap in between there. Cutouts for the camera and everything are all just deeply recessed on here. You can see your this is actually like a rubberized texture around the side. It's like a hard rubberized plastic, but all ports and everything line up. You got a little deeply recessed portion there for your S Pen, and you do have a little bit of lay on the table design here. So if you want to put a tempered glass on here or screen protector, you definitely can do it because this phone is going to be all screen. So laying it down flat, good to go. Now I'm going to switch over to this leather case here. These are the same cases, just different design. And here's the leather case, genuine leather case from them. They got a little design over here with some faux alligator probably, but we'll pop it in. And this is one of the few cases where it actually lines up correctly with the Galaxy Note 10. See, all the other cases that I've been reviewing have a deep cut down here because I guess there was a design change for the smaller variant. So when they sent the molds out to the companies, they probably, unless there's some kind of international version that we don't know about, this is how it should be with your Galaxy Note 10, the smaller variant. This is how it should be. So when you open it up, you got all phone right here. You have quick access to your S Pen and all the ports for charging, volume rocker and everything. Now this is a complaint I have about leather cases. When the volume rocker is on the inside, I don't like that. I like it when it's on the outside. But you can put some cash in here, a couple of credit cards. You can use this closed because you got to cut out for the speaker up there. So you can make calls. You can call Johnny, close it up, boom. What's up, sir? You know what I'm saying? Get it going like that. So you've got some VRS design branding, and that's it, man. Pretty nice setup here. This is the lineup from VRS. Depending on when you're watching this, you might already have your Galaxy Note 10, or you might not. So the recording of this video, the Galaxy Note 10 is not released yet. But I will have the larger variant of the Galaxy Note 10, so stay tuned for that in the coming weeks. It's your man Jay. I'm out.